Workshop Wednesday, everybody. 2023, welcome. Here we are, red in the morning. Sailor, take warning. Well, it's red. It's red. You know what I say? I say, look out, 2023. Here we come. It's going to be exciting. Drago, come on. Get in. Old Drago got big. The fire's going. Y'all can't see it. What's this? Woo. A little smoky. I got the damper kind of closed. I hope y'all been good. Been busy. Dadgum, been busy not posting on Instagram, Facebook, social media. I do apologize, kinda. But all's well. Shop is rolling. Got a cool pair of Spurs going this morning. For somebody special, somebody that's probably watching. And it is a surprise. So I'm not going to show you who it is or all the names and all that cool stuff. But life is good. Got a little update. And let's see, Art of the Cowgirl, January 17th through the 23rd, 22nd is going on in Queen Creek, Arizona. Well, I'm gonna be teaching a 2-day drawing class, and so everybody's welcome. Men, I know it's Art of the Cowgirl. Single men, not a bad place to go. But anyhow, yes, you can sign up. Everybody can be a part of all this, and it's gonna be a design class, 2 days of solid drawing, leather. Bits, spurs, silversmiths. I think it fits everybody. You can do your style, however you're going, but I'm gonna teach you how to get ideas down on paper and draw and create and see what's going on there. Should be fun. To sign up, go to the Art of the Cowgirl website. There's a link there. There's on their website you can sign up and pay the bill and all that business. Probably need 6 people to do this, make it worth everybody's time. Need to sign up here fairly quickly before we cancel it. But I think I'm real close to getting there. So hopefully it'll get going, and I'm gonna take 12. So come on, get in if you can. Anyhow, everything's good. I got I bet toys, right? I bought toys. Looky here. I bought me a big old cool press. And yes, it's set up in the forging area here. So Coal Iron Works 25-ton press. What a cool thing, cool, exciting thing. Going to be used to make all kinds of cool, exciting things. Basically, all it does is smash things. But if you smash things properly, they turn into art. So that's the new latest addition to the shop, and going to be some fun things come from it. I look forward to 2023. No telling what's going to happen. 2022 is probably one of the best years I've ever had, and it didn't turn out that way until right towards the end. But man, it's proof to keep your head down and keep grinding away. And the business side of this journey that I'm on, this adventure, is constantly, I'm learning and going and trying to stay hooked in my bits and spurs and the art aspect that I pursue so heavily. So it's all good, and I look forward to seeing what happens in 2023. If you need something, holler at me. We'll see you soon. Adios.